Revitalize your life. 20 age-defying hobbies for adults 50 and above. Are you ready to unlock the secret to aging gracefully? In this video, we'll reveal 20 life-changing hobbies that are perfect for adults aged 50 and above. Stay tuned to learn how these hobbies can help you age healthily and gracefully, especially improving your mental, physical, and social well-being. Mental well-being hobbies. Let's dive into mind-boosting activities that help keep your brain sharp and energized. Participating in a book club. Solving puzzles. Learning a new language. Writing or journaling. Playing musical instruments. Physical well-being hobbies. Build strength and balance with these fun and easy exercises for a healthier lifestyle. Gardening. Brisk walking exercise. Practicing yoga or tai chi. Dancing. And playing board games or card games. Social well-being hobbies. Strengthen your social circle and forge lasting connections with these engaging hobbies. Traveling in a group. Participating in DIY or craft workshops. Volunteering activities. Attending cooking or baking classes. And practicing photography. Creative hobbies. Ignite your creative passions and unleash your inner artist with these artistic hobbies. Painting or drawing. Knitting or crocheting. Creating pottery or ceramics. Researching genealogy. And birdwatching. Embrace your golden years and revitalize your life with these 20 age-defying hobbies for adults 50 and above. Remember, it's never too late to start a new hobby and unlock the secret to aging gracefully. Share this video with your friends and family, and embark on this exciting journey together. Together, let's make a difference in the lives of older adults. For more information, please contact us below.